Hi kids! I am Teacher Bets and I will be your teacher for today. Our lesson for this week is all about animals and how do they grow and their uses. But before we start our lesson, let's sing a song.
The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Let's try it a little faster. The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. Okay, a little faster. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. Okay, super fast. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Very good! Now, let's watch a video on how do the animals grow.
We're going to talk about the life cycle of a chicken. Let's get started. The life cycle begins with the chicken. Chickens lay an egg about once a day. So a chicken will lay a hatch of eggs and find a nice, warm, comfortable spot to sit. She'll sit on the eggs and only get up to eat and drink. The chickens sit on their eggs for about 19 to 21 days. That's about 3 weeks. Over those 3 weeks, the baby chicks start to grow until they are able to use their beaks to come out and break out of their shell. These new chicks are called hatchlings, and when they first come out, their feathers are wet, but they quickly dry and become the fluffy chicks that we usually think of when we think of Easter. Within about 30 days after hatching, chicks will usually have all of their feathers and they'll quickly grow into a chicken. And once they're a chicken, the life cycle will repeat.
Great job! Now, let's learn the animals and their uses. Some farm animals give us food. Cow give us milk, meat, and cheese. Chicken give us egg and meat. Some farm animals give us materials to make things. Sheep give us wool to make scarf, gloves, and bonnet. Cow give us leather to make belt, shoes, and jacket. Good job! It's time to answer her activity book. Science 3. Answer pages 14 to 16. Number 14. Put the pictures in the correct order. Write 1, 2, or 3 in each circle. Number 15. Farm animals give us food. Circle the food that a cow gives us. A sheep gives us wool. Color the things that are made of wool. Number 16. Which is the young of a goat? Circle. What do these animals give us? Match correctly. That's all for today. I hope you learned something in our lesson. Bye! See you next time!